The future of energy storage is undergoing a profound transformation. We stand at the precipice of a revolution, driven by innovations that promise to redefine how we power our world. At the forefront of this exciting frontier are self-healing batteries. These remarkable devices are poised to overcome many of the inherent limitations that plague current battery technologies. They offer a compelling vision of energy storage that is not only more efficient but also significantly more resilient. The core promise of self-healing batteries lies in their ability to achieve significantly longer lifespans. Beyond longevity, they also boast remarkably fast recovery times. Imagine a battery that can mend itself, restoring its full capacity in mere minutes. This capability has the potential to fundamentally transform various sectors. Consider the profound impact on electric vehicles, where range anxiety and charging times remain significant hurdles. Self-healing batteries could dramatically reduce the need for frequent replacements and lengthy recharges. Similarly, portable electronics stand to benefit immensely. From smartphones to laptops, our reliance on these devices is constant. Self-healing technology could mean devices that last longer and are always ready for use, enhancing convenience and sustainability. This innovation represents a pivotal step towards a more robust and reliable energy infrastructure. Traditional batteries, despite their widespread use, suffer from an inherent flaw: degradation over time. This is a fundamental challenge that limits their utility and lifespan. The root cause of this degradation lies in internal damage. Repeated cycles of charging and discharging inevitably lead to microscopic structural changes within the battery's components. These changes accumulate, causing wear and tear at a molecular level. This internal damage manifests in various ways, including the formation of dendrites or the breakdown of electrode materials. Ultimately, this degradation leads to a noticeable reduction in the battery's overall capacity. A battery that once held a full charge begins to hold less and less, diminishing its performance. If left unchecked, this process culminates in complete battery failure, rendering the device unusable. This cycle of degradation and eventual failure contributes significantly to electronic waste and necessitates frequent replacements. It highlights a critical need for a more durable and sustainable energy storage solution. Self-healing batteries are specifically engineered to combat this pervasive issue of degradation. Their design incorporates sophisticated materials and mechanisms aimed at repairing internal damage as it occurs. This proactive approach is what sets them apart from conventional batteries. By continuously mending themselves, these batteries effectively extend their operational lifespan far beyond what is currently possible. This self-repair capability ensures that the battery maintains optimal performance throughout its service life. It represents a paradigm shift from passive degradation to active regeneration. One prominent approach to achieving self-healing involves the use of microcapsules containing healing agents. These tiny capsules are embedded within the battery's electrolyte or electrode materials. They are designed to remain intact under normal operating conditions. However, when internal damage occurs, such as a microcrack forming, these delicate capsules rupture. The rupture releases the encapsulated healing agent directly into the damaged area. This agent then flows into the cracks, effectively filling and sealing them. The healing agent solidifies or polymerizes, restoring the battery's internal structure and electrical pathways. This process prevents further propagation of the damage and maintains the battery's integrity. It's akin to the body's own clotting mechanism, but for a battery. Another innovative approach explores the use of self-assembling materials. Researchers are experimenting with advanced polymers and other compounds that possess inherent self-repairing properties. These materials are designed to automatically reorganize and rebuild themselves at a molecular level. When a component experiences damage, the material's intrinsic properties allow it to re-establish its original structure. This could involve reversible bonds that break and reform, or dynamic networks that can reconfigure. These materials can effectively mend microscopic fractures or disconnections. This method offers a more intrinsic form of healing, where the material itself is the repair mechanism. It eliminates the need for separate healing agents, potentially simplifying the battery's construction. The goal is to create components that are inherently resilient and self-sustaining. The implications of such materials extend beyond just batteries, promising a new era of durable electronics. Both microcapsule and self-assembling approaches represent significant leaps in material science. They are paving the way for batteries that are not just energy reservoirs, but active living systems. The benefits of self-healing batteries are transformative, starting with their significantly extended lifespan. These batteries are engineered to last years, longer than their conventional counterparts. This longevity translates directly into substantial environmental and economic advantages. A longer lifespan means a drastic reduction in battery waste, addressing a critical environmental concern. It also leads to lower replacement costs for consumers and industries alike. Imagine a world where your electronic devices rarely need a new battery. This extended durability makes self-healing batteries a more sustainable and cost-effective solution in the long run. It shifts the paradigm from disposable components to enduring assets. This longevity is a cornerstone of their appeal. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect is their ability to regenerate in minutes. This rapid recovery capability is a true game-changer for various applications. For electric vehicles, it means the potential to recharge during a short coffee break. Imagine pulling into a charging station and having your vehicle's battery fully restore itself in the time it takes to grab a drink. This eliminates the notorious range anxiety that currently plagues EV owners. It makes electric vehicles a far more practical and appealing option for long-distance travel. Similarly, for portable electronics, a quick lunch break could be enough time to fully power up your smartphone. No more frantic searches for power outlets or carrying bulky power banks. This rapid regeneration enhances the overall user experience dramatically. It provides unparalleled convenience and ensures that devices are always ready for use. This capability fundamentally redefines our expectations of battery performance and availability. It moves us closer to a truly seamless mobile experience. Self-healing batteries are also expected to offer enhanced durability and resilience. Their inherent ability to repair damage makes them more robust against external stressors. This includes greater resistance to extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. They are also more resilient to other environmental factors, such as humidity or mechanical stress. This enhanced toughness makes them suitable for a much wider range of applications. Consider devices operating in harsh or remote conditions. For instance, in aerospace where reliability is paramount, self-healing batteries could power critical systems. In remote sensing or deep-sea exploration, where maintenance is difficult, their resilience would be invaluable. This durability is crucial for ensuring consistent performance in challenging environments. It opens up new possibilities for technology deployment in previously inaccessible or demanding settings. The ability to withstand and recover from environmental insults makes them a truly versatile energy solution. This resilience is a key factor in their potential widespread adoption. While the promise of self-healing batteries is immense, the technology is still in its early stages of development. Significant research and engineering efforts are ongoing to bring these innovations to commercial viability. However, the pace of advancement is remarkably rapid. Researchers worldwide are constantly refining the materials used in these batteries. They are exploring novel compositions and structures to enhance healing efficiency and overall performance. New approaches are continually being investigated to improve the speed and completeness of the self-repair process. A major focus is on improving the scalability of these technologies. The challenge lies in translating laboratory breakthroughs into mass-producible, cost-effective solutions. This involves optimizing manufacturing processes and ensuring consistent quality at scale. We anticipate a future where energy storage is not only more efficient, but also inherently more durable. Self-healing batteries will play a pivotal role in this evolution, offering unprecedented longevity and reliability. This will lead to a future with far more convenient energy storage solutions. Imagine a world where battery life is no longer a primary concern for your devices or vehicles. This technology paves the way for a more sustainable and technologically advanced world. It reduces waste, conserves resources, and empowers a new generation of electronics. The journey from concept to widespread adoption is complex, but the trajectory is clear. Self-healing batteries represent a fundamental shift in how we conceive of and utilize energy storage. They are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a better future. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.